Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to learn more about statistics, class 10, ogive curves. Now we will discuss ogive curve. So what is ogive curve? The term ogive is pronounced as ogive and the term derived from ogi. So ogive is pronounced as ogive and it is derived from ogi. Ogi is a shape consisting of a concave arc flowing into a convex arc. So it is forming S-shaped curve with vertical ends. So we are getting S-shaped curve with vertical ends. So ogive curve is two types. First one is less than cumulative frequency or less than ogive curve. Second one is greater than cumulative frequency curve or more than cumulative frequency curve or greater than ogive curve. First one is less than cumulative frequency curve or less than ogive. So first one, less than cumulative frequency curve or less than ogive. How we have to construct the less than cumulative frequency curve? So how we can construct the curve? So plot the points with upper limit as x coordinate and the corresponding less than cumulative frequencies as the y coordinates. Then the points are joined by with free smooth hand. Then it is called less than cumulative frequency curve. So here we are getting the graph is like this. We are getting it is increasing time we are getting. So it is rising graph. It is a rising graph. Now second one, it is greater than cumulative frequency curve. Or more than cumulative frequency curve. Or more than ogive curve. More than ogive. How we can construct the greater than cumulative frequency curve? Plot the points with the lower limits of the classes as x coordinates and the greater than cumulative frequencies as the y coordinates. Then the points are joined by free smooth hand to get the greater than cumulative frequency curve. So we are getting the curve like this. We are getting curve like this. It is the falling curve. So let us discuss one example problem for less than cumulative frequency curve and greater than cumulative frequency curve. Now the example is class intervals as 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, frequency 5, 2, 3, 10. Draw the LCF and GCF curves. So we need to draw less than cumulative frequency curve and greater than cumulative frequency curve. So this data we have to take. First one is we are finding LCF we are finding. So less than cumulative frequency curve or ogive. So class intervals and frequency and we need to take here LCF we need to take, and one more column pairs. So 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. So frequency is 5, 2, 3, 10. Now we need to find LCF, less than cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequencies we need to find. Less than cumulative frequencies means step by step we need to add. 5, first frequency is 5 means 5 only we need to take. 5 plus 2 that is 7. 7 plus 3 that is 10. 10 plus 10 that is 20. Now we can take the pairs. We are constructing the less than cumulative frequency curve. So that's why we need to take lower upper limit we need to take. Upper limits as a x coordinate and LCF as a y coordinate we need to take. Means we are getting 5, 5. So here upper limit is 10 and LCF is 7. So 10, 7. Next upper limit is 15 and LCF is 10. Last one it is upper limit is 20 and LCF also we are getting 20. So here this pairs we need to construct the LCF graph. So here I am drawing the graph also 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. On x-axis we took up to 25 units we took. On y-axis 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. On y-axis also I am taking 25 units. So here x-axis and y-axis intersect point is 0, 0. Scale must be we can write. So scale, how we took the scale? On x-axis 1 centimeter equal 5 units. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal 5 units. Now first point is 5, 5. So here x-axis is 5 and y-axis also 5. So 5, 5. Next one it is, next pair is 10, 7. So on x-axis 10 and here 7. So 7 is lies between 5 and 10 only now. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines afterwards we are getting. Means here we are getting. Next one is 15, 10. So x-axis is 15 and y coordinate is 10. So you can get here. Next one it is last pair 20, 20. X coordinate is 20, y also 20. So here we are getting. So how you can freely have to join the points? We are getting rising graph we are getting. So this is called LCF, less than cumulative frequency or less than ogive curve. For this data only we can find GCF. GCF means greater than cumulative frequency curve or greater than cumulative ogive. So class intervals and frequency. Now we need to take GCF we need to take and pairs. Class intervals 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Frequencies, first frequency is 5, second one is 2, third one is 3, last one is 10. Now we need to find the GCF. In LCF how we are to getting? From up to we are coming down, step by step we are adding. But here from GCF, for GCF we need to, from down to we need to add step by step frequencies we need to add. Means here 10 means as it is 10 only. Next step in 10 plus 3 that is 13. 13 plus 2 that is 15. 15 plus 5 that is 20. So now we got the GCFs. Now we need to take the pairs. Pairs for GCF how we have to take the pairs? Lower limit and the GCF. So lower limit is 0, comma 20. GCF is 20. In this 5 to 10 class interval, lower limit is 5, comma 15. Next one is lower limit is 10, comma 13. Next last one is 15, comma 10. Now we need to draw the graph. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So the axis intersect point is 0. On x-axis right side values are positive values 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 up to 25 units I took. On y-axis also same as it is I am taking 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal 5 units. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal, here also we took 5 units. Now you can take the points, pairs you have to take 0, 20. Here x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 20. 0, 20. Next one is 5, 15. X coordinate is 5 and y is 15. Next 10 to 13. 10, 13. So x1 is 10 and 13. 13 lies between 10 and 15. Means here we are getting approximately. Next 15, 10. X coordinate is 15 and y coordinate is 10. Now smoothly you have to join the points. So here it is like this, it is falling. So this curve we have to say falling curve. GCF is falling curve and LCF is rising curve. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear friends and students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.